Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I have my Sephora order here to haul for you guys, I guess. I got this Wednesday, but I've been gone in Colorado for a photo shoot for work, so I can finally show you guys what I got. I'm so excited. I actually ended up getting quite a bit of stuff. I watched a bunch of videos, of course, and got some recommendations. So yeah, I placed a pretty big order and I'm open to making another order. So let me know down below, of course, what you recommend me to pick up, anything new that you've tried. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into this haul. So if you guys have noticed, I feel like the last month or so, it's been like foundation crazy. Like all the brands have released new foundations and I've been obsessed with trying them because I feel like we were in like a foundation drought for a while where there was like no new releases, but then everyone decided to release foundations at the same time. So I've been trying quite a bit lately, and of course during the sale I wanted to try a couple more, so I'll go over those real quick. First up, I really wanted to try the new Anastasia Luminous foundation. Now this is kind of weird for me because I usually don't buy stuff that's luminous or dewy, but I've actually heard a lot of people say that it would work for combination normal skin, so I thought I would go ahead and try it. So I actually have it on today. I just wore it for the first time and I feel like it looked pretty, but I was really surprised that it said luminous because when I first put it on, it really didn't look luminous whatsoever, but like once your oils start coming through, then it kind of gets dewy fast throughout the day. I don't know, I just touch up now. I want to do like a full wear test on this possibly, but we'll see. So I wanted to go ahead and try that. I got the shade 240N and this is what it looks like. It is a medium coverage foundation. I have to say I was very surprised at the packaging. I don't know, this just does not look like Anastasia to me, but it seems like Anastasia is like kind of branching out of their normal packaging because I saw the new Norvina palette that's coming out and that one was very different for what they do typically. So like this looks like normal, but then you have the fun back. But anyways, yeah, I'm not sure about this color. It's a little bit dark, but I self-tan a lot, so I think it'll be okay. It seems to match fine right now. It's just like a tiny bit dark, but yeah, so far I don't have a good opinion on this yet. It seems just okay for me. It hasn't really wowed me, but I wanted to give that a try. And then of course the next foundation I had to try is the new Fenty one. I feel like everyone's been talking about this. This is the Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. So another luminous foundation, but I just want to try it and see if it'll work. I love trying new foundations and sometimes the luminous ones actually do look good on me, and you guys always compliment me on my videos, even though I feel like I sometimes look oily in person, but then you guys always say I look really good in it on camera. I don't know, so I'm giving it a try. I have not tried this one yet. This is what it looks like. And I picked out the shade 260. So this is a hydrating long wear foundation and I really like the packaging on this one. It feels really nice and sleek. So we will be giving this a try. Let me know which one you want to see more a video on. I'm thinking about doing a full review on one of them and maybe like a trying a new makeup video for another so you guys can see how it applies. Or I've seen people also do like a versus with both of the foundations. I don't know how well that would work, but maybe we could try that too. Okay, so next, another Anastasia product. I had to pick up the new Jackie Aina palette. This packaging is beautiful, and I'm a huge fan of Anastasia shadows, and I love Jackie's videos. She's so fun to watch, so of course I needed this in my life. So here is what it looks like. It almost looks like a snakeskin almost packaging. It is absolutely stunning. I love the duochrome. And then here is the shades. So I thought this would be a fun way to kind of try out some color, but also keep it a little more on the neutral side. It's not crazy colors, but I like that these are going to be nice and pigmented shades since Jackie picked shades that obviously would work well for her. These are all going to be pretty dark, but I'm really excited to play with this. I just love the color selection in this one. I think it is stunning, and I don't know, maybe it'll become one of my new favorites. We'll see. My favorite Anastasia palette, I would have to say, is probably the original Norvina palette. I just love the purples in that one. Let me know down below what yours is. I saw the sneak peeks for the new Norvina palette and I'm not sure how I feel about it, so you guys will have to let me know. So next up, I'm so excited about this. This is from IT Cosmetics, and it is the IT Lash Blowout Volume Lift Mascara, and this is in collaboration with Drybar. So this is the cutest thing. I knew I had to have this. Let me show you. This is the packaging. It's literally like a little round brush. It looks like the Drybar round brushes, and it's so fun. I've seen really good reviews on this. It looks incredible, and I feel like IT Cosmetics does a really good job with mascaras. I loved their superhero ones, so I have pretty high hopes for this one, and I love the IT Cosmetics brand. So yeah, I needed this in my life for sure. I also got this from Pat McGrath. Of course, she always has the crazy awesome packaging. This is one of her lip pencils, and it's in the shade Contour, and I've heard so many good things about this. A lot of people recommended it, and I tried it out today on my lips just now, and I actually really like it. I feel like it gives you just enough definition under your lips so you can really kind of sculpt them out, and they look a lot more plump and voluminous. So I feel like this shade is nice because it's not too dark. It's perfect for my skin tone. This is what it looks like. So it's going to have a little bit of a brownie nude undertone, but that's what you want to kind of like sculpt out your lips, make them look bigger, and put like a little nude lipstick in the middle, and you have amazing lips. So I actually really like the formula of this. It is a little bit pricey since it's Pat McGrath, but these honestly glide on so easily and they stay put. So I would definitely recommend this one, especially this contour shade. This is amazing. Next, another lip product. We'll just go through a couple because I got quite a few. I've been trying out some new lip stuff. This is the Hourglass High Shine Volumizing Lip Gloss. I've heard this one is amazing and makes your lips look super plump, which I'm all about. So I picked out a nude shade. This one is in Unreal. This is going to be really nice. It has like a slight minty smell. Smells really good, so I feel like this would definitely be kind of plumping, but this is the shade Unreal. Looks amazing. So excited for that. And then we also got, oh my gosh, I've been wanting this palette for so long. Finally held out for a sale and got it for the 20% off, which makes me really happy. This is the Too Faced Shake Your Pom Poms palette. Oh my gosh, when I saw sneak peeks of this, I knew I wanted this in my life, and for some reason I just never bought it right away because, oh yes, it was like only on Too Faced for a long time, and I don't really like ordering on their website because I would rather get points from Sephora or Ulta. So I saw that it was available during the sale and I had to snag it up. This is just so cute. I know summer's almost over and this is kind of a summer palette, but I'm totally going to use this all year round. I love the little Too Faced mini palettes. I feel like they are great quality and a really good deal. I think they're like 28 bucks and you get 8 shades. So it's the perfect little mini palette. I've been really liking these smaller palettes lately just to kind of have one little color story. I don't get like all confused on what look I want to do for the day. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. It looks beautiful. Let me swatch just a couple shades so you guys could get an idea of the colors. Ooh, I love that green bronze. That is going to be stunning. And then there's a little peach one, which is beautiful. And I'll swatch this shimmery goldy bronze color. Oh my gosh. Yes. And it smells like peaches. Very light peach kind of scent. Oh, another lip product I forgot to mention. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I've been really into her makeup lately, and I feel like she's been coming out with some really cool things. I actually placed another order today on Sephora for her new foundation, so I really wanted to test that out. But I think she creates just amazing products, and I haven't purchased a ton from her, so I picked up one of her new lipsticks. This is from the Hot Lips collection, I think, and the packaging is absolutely stunning. And one of my favorite things about Charlotte Tilbury is she names a lot of her products after like Hollywood icons, so that's just so fun to me. There's a couple lipsticks I still want to pick up, like the Marilyn Monroe one and the Audrey Hepburn one, but I just haven't done that yet. I'm still kind of deciding, but this color was stunning. I have it on today with that lip liner. This is in JK Magic, which is named after J.K. Rowling, who writes the Harry Potter series, which I'm obsessed with, so I had to have this. But look how beautiful this is. It comes out of the little package, and apparently these are also refillable, which is really cool as well, so you could save some money that way. But oh my gosh, this color is everything. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to nude now. It's just stunning. Like, yes. And her formula is just buttery soft, and it doesn't like glide too much that it like comes off easily. Let me swatch this one. Oh, this is going to be gorgeous with that Hourglass lip gloss, I feel like. So that's JK Magic, just a really perfect nude. I decided just to get one. I really wanted to try a couple of them, but I kind of want to try the Jennifer Aniston one. But you guys should definitely leave me recommendations if you have any favorite shades from the Charlotte Tilbury line. I have this one, and then I have the Kim KW one as well. Also from Charlotte Tilbury, I finally got this. I've been wanting it for so long. It's one of her Eyes to Memorize long-lasting easy colors. This one's in the shade Marie Antoinette, which I don't know why, but I have this weird fixation with Marie Antoinette. I did like a history project on her, and I just find her so fascinating, and I don't know, just everything about her I'm super interested in. Like, if you guys watched the movie with Kirsten Dunst, that one's really good. But yeah, I just really like Marie Antoinette, and this color is beautiful. Like I said, I just love that Charlotte Tilbury names her products after people. But oh my gosh, this is a cream shadow, and it's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Like, I feel like I could use this pretty much for every day just to create a really easy look. Just plop this on the eyelids and you are good to go. But yeah, this is beautiful, and I love the name, so I feel like this is going to become one of my favorites for sure. Right, next up, I got this from Fenty, and it is their Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. So I figured I would test this out with the foundation since I do have more oily skin, so I feel like this would kind of help the foundation last a bit better on me and not break up too bad. I know she has another Pro Filter primer. I'm not sure if that one's supposed to be mattifying or not, but I decided I would give this one a try. I don't really have a ton of mattifying primers in my collection, so this will be interesting. I just put it on and it just kind of feels really silky smooth. I don't know, it doesn't feel like it's super dry or anything, so I will definitely be trying this out very soon. I think this is the last product here. This is from Glow Recipe, and they have a new product out called the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So of course I wanted to try this. It sounded really interesting, and I like that it has retinol in it because that's supposed to be really great for anti-aging. Oh, the packaging on this is so adorable. This says, reignite the sparkle in your eyes with the gentle, powerful eye sleeping mask formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, and coffee berry. Long-lasting actives released through all hours of the night to help moisturize, brighten, fight fine lines, and depuff. So, basically you just put a little bit on underneath the eyes at night and then you sleep with this on. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this. It's so cute. I love Glow Recipe products. I feel like they come out with some really fun stuff. And they've had like a watermelon collection, I think a blueberry, and now they have some avocado stuff, which is super fun. But I think that is going to complete my Sephora haul. That is what I got during their fun like summer VIB haul event. Once again, let me know down below your recommendations, what I should pick up, because I've been definitely in a makeup shopping mood. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have everything linked down below that I talked about, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.